I'm going to quickly show you how to set up this round bar stool just by following 3 simple steps. This is pretty much the same procedure carried out on most gas lift bar stools. Firstly, we got the base that is nicely cushioned, made out of PU leather which is water resistant. We got a solid bottom base, packet of screws with an Allen key, a gas lift cylinder which simply slots in the base, and finally we got the footrest. So we align the holes together, insert the screws and tighten up with an Allen key. Now that's one half of the job complete. Remove the cap from the gas lift cylinder. Insert the bottom end to the base. Push up on the lever and slot in. Be careful while carrying out this task as the gas lift will activate and the seat will lift up. So if you were to carry out this task, do it on the floor and not on the table like me. An easy height lever control with a 360 swivel. Now the top base is water resistant. But what I've done also is added an extra padded cover on the top, making it more durable against water.